7 Style mistakes that make you look older and dumpy. Dress to impress, the style mantra you swear by. Then you better watch what you wear. I know. You're probably arching your eyebrows reading this now, thinking, what does this even mean? I think my clothes through. Heck, I spend about half an hour each morning deciding what to wear. While dressing up, it's essential to take care of your skin too. COSRX Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream is a perfect solution for acne-prone and sensitive skin. This Korean skincare product is not tested on animals and contains no parabens, sulfates, or phthalate, making it an ideal daily face gel moisturizer for dry skin. Yes, your defense is strong. But sometimes what you think looks good on you actually ends up making you look dumpy. Or worse, old. Your bae might not tell you so when you ask him the golden question for the umpteenth time, but it's true. Certain clothes can indeed make you look like you're packing a few extra pounds or have aged by a few years. So, if you do not want to look older and fatter, make sure you never commit these 7 fashion blunders. 1. Going black head to toe. This faux pas falls into the aging category. Black can, no doubt, make you look elegant and sophisticated. But if you lean on the other side of the age fence, steer clear of wearing black from head to toe. Especially if you're fair. The over-the-top black can create a deep contrast to the color of your skin, thereby highlighting flaws such as wrinkles and dark circles. So, if you're planning to don an LBD for that party, make sure you accessorize it with other, brighter colors so that the spotlight is not on your flaws. 2. Wearing clothes bigger than your size. The moment you gain a little bit of holiday weight around your stomach or anywhere below or above that, you tend to hide yourself under your clothes like a turtle. But buying clothes in a size larger than yours can, in fact, make you appear bigger than you are by adding volume where you don't need it. So, be sure to always pick clothes true to your size if you want to look good. 3. Wriggling into long skirts. As much as you may love them, consider not wearing them once you get to the latter end of your 20s. Long skirts add a lot of bulk to your limbs, giving the illusion that you have a much heavier lower half and don't have as shapely legs as you used to. The fix: wear short skirts. They're not just for young girls, you know. However, if they're not to your taste, mid-knee skirts are a great option that you can play with as well. 4. Putting on the wrong frames. Currently, thin frames are passé. Instead, it's the bold eyeglasses that are current and help highlight one's eyes. So, if you were contemplating getting a thin, metal-rimmed frame, don't. That's reserved for the dear old grannies of the present generation. Also, while buying frames for your glasses, don't just purchase the first one you see. Try on a number of them to know what looks good on you before you make the payment. Remember, bolder and bigger frames that do not hide your eyes are trending right now. 5. Not shopping for your age. We all want to look younger than what we are. That's just how it is. But trying to look younger should not equate to buying clothes that are meant for a teenager. When you do that, you end up looking way older than you really are, since the contrast between your age and the clothes you're wearing becomes just too wide. Instead, to look younger, wear clothes that are actually appropriate for your age. And style them right. Accessories can make a hugely positive difference in your appearance. 6. Slipping into unflattering shoes. Trust me when I say this, your choice of shoes can easily make or break your outfit. Hence, it's wiser not to pick the shoe that's currently all the rage right now, but one that suits your clothes, age, and weight. For example, blocky, chunky heels do not look good on plus-sized women. And rarely do brightly colored canvas shoes in neon shades appear flattering on a 30-year-old. Slimmer shoes look better on plus-sized women, and plain Converses add a touch of sophistication to a casual attire. 7. Wrapping a silk scarf. Unless you're attending a retro-theme party or are an air hostess, let the silk scarf stay in your closet. One of the most popular clothing accessories of the 60s involved wrapping a silk scarf around your neck. Today, however, this can make you look unfashionable and oddly vintage, both of which you do not want. However, if you can't part with your favorite silk scarf, consider using it as a hairband, a wristlet, or as tassels on your handbag. Looking good does not mean blindly following what's trending. It's all about developing your own personal style that helps you always look dressed to the nines, even as you grow older.